इंट्रोवर्ट्स हमारे बीच ही रहने वाले इन लोगों का नाम तो सुना ही होगा और मे बी यू आर वन ऑफ देम. बट व्हाट्स द बिगेस्ट इशू दैट एवरी इंट्रोवर्ट फेसेस? एंड दैट्स द लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. अगर आप यूजुअली किसी भी इंट्रोवर्ट को बोलो कि तुम्हें 10 लोगों के सामने स्पीच देनी है, तो उसका सबसे पहला डर यही होता है कि यार मुझ में तो कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है, मैं ये कैसे कर सकती हूँ. But there are some practical ways that can help you gain confidence as an introvert. In this video, I'll share 7 tips and tip number 5 is really interesting. So this video is divided into 2 parts. Why is it necessary to have confidence as an introvert and how can you gain confidence as an introvert? So इस वीडियो को end तक ज़रूर देखना and let's get started. So, why is it necessary to have some confidence as an introvert? Well, confidence allows introverts to trust in their abilities and judgment. क्योंकि जब वो खुद पे बिलीव करते हैं तो they are more likely to take risks and express their ideas. Having confidence is like having belief in yourself and feeling sure about what you can do and what you cannot. For introverts, this is important because it really helps them to feel comfortable in social situations and makes it easier for them to talk to people. When introverts have confidence, they can speak up when they need to, build better relationships with others, and even do well in their jobs or schools. It helps them feel good about themselves and do best in their life. Overall, it's okay for introverts to have some quieter personalities. Having some level of confidence can help them develop in both their personal and professional lives. So now, let's move to the practical ways that can help introverts to gain confidence. So, the tip number 1 is, first of all, you have to identify your own problems. If you have no idea about your problems, then how will you even solve them, right? You really have to understand what are your fears, what are your insecurities, because it helps you understand what are you from inside. Tip number 2, know more about your strength. For introverts, knowing their strength is like having a map to navigate life. It helps them figure out what they are really good at, whether it's listening carefully, thinking deeply, or being creative. When introverts know their strength, they can focus on doing things that makes them feel more confident and happy. Now that's lead to our tip number 3, start small. Now you know what are your strengths, so try to begin with a small task that you know you can achieve. And after you accomplish them, you will gain confidence to tackle bigger challenges as well. Tip number 4 is practice speaking. Okay, so this is really important if you want to become confident. Always practice how to speak in front of people. You can also join groups where you can talk to people. This could be a club or a class. And remember that the more you talk, the more confident you will become. Tip number 5, meet with new people. Okay, so first of all, I would like to give a small advice that please don't surround yourself with negative people. People who badmouth you, people who keeps demotivating you. Just stay away from them for your own good. So the tip is, try to meet with new people. Let me ask you something. If you ever meet with a stranger who doesn't know anything about you, whether you are an introvert or an extrovert, are they gonna judge you? No, obviously no, right? Then please don't be afraid while talking with new people. Even I was that kind of person, but not anymore. Join activities or groups where you can meet with new people who like the same things as you do. That will help you feel more comfortable and confident. You can also check out my video on communication skill and that will surely help you. I'll attach the link in the description. Tip number 6 is, take little risk. Sometimes you just have to push yourself out of your comfort zone and try new things even if they scare you a bit. Each time you do something tough or challenging that you don't really want to, you will get better at handling new situations more easily. And the last but not the least, tip number 7, learn from mistakes. It's totally okay to mess up sometimes because things don't always go as we have planned. So instead of blaming yourself like, I can't do this, think about what you can learn from that experience and you'll never repeat the same mistake again and again. It will take some time, but it will really help you, so don't rush. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this will help you to gain confidence as an introvert. You can also connect with me on Instagram, link is in the description. Also, please share this video with your friends and help them to break the chain of not having confidence as an introvert. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet in the next video.